Nice.
Cooking Mama, cookstar.
Alright, the last time we what did we do?
Let's get started.
We've beaten the
Let's
crap out of
go.
some machis, and today we are gonna do as promised lamb gyro.
Let's get cooking.
Whatever the fuck that is. No matter how you pronounce it, it's delicious. Okay, Mama will help you. I don't need your help. Let me do some tacos, because that's what it fucking looks like to me, alright? Alright, gather ingredients. Move the stick to select an ingredient, then press the button to add it into the bowl. Add ingredients in the order shown. Alright, let's do this! I'm proof to be
Ready?
better than
Get
Mama, but
set,
how? Okay,
go.
pay attention to the order. Okay, oh, so what it is salt to the top right corner, we can see that. And we just, you know, shake it into it. Okay, then there's a bright blue bowl, which is
You can
this.
do it.
Water, perfect.
Such
That's
skill.
this.
Look
Right,
at
okay, we
that.
kind of have to hurry already. Let me get that
Great
sugar
job.
and
Hurry up.
finish with olive
Wow.
oil. Perfectly done.
Wow, even better than Mama.
Thanks, Mama. Next step, knead the dough. Move the stick in the instructed direction to knead the ingredients. Let's do this. I'm kind of afraid of that because, yeah, as I said, motion control before, it's not ideal here, but yeah, what the fuck. Alright, we have to tilt the thing, then we have to
Amazing.
back, up, and tilt. Ah, that was not even a... Come on, that wasn't too bad. Did I already sploosh up, or can I still make it?
Amazing.
Ah, no, I splooshed, I splooshed, I splooshed. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Up, 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 up. No! Fuck!
Well done.
It was not well done. Don't even lie to me. Next step. Roll out the pita. Roll out the dough until it reaches the desired dimensions. Press the button to proceed to the next step. Doesn't
Ready,
sound easy.
get,
Alright,
set,
Laura,
go.
what do you want me to do? Front? Oh, front, until I find it good. That was still
You
good!
can do it.
Don't you lie! Okay, okay, oh, right, front to back, I'm sorry. Oh, that was my bad.
Hurry up.
That is a perfectly round pizza. Good.
Whoa, you are the real hero.
Oh, the real hero, and you pronounce the R's like you're fucking supposed to! Next step, bake the pita bread. What is a pita bread? Set the temperature with the stick and stop baking at the correct time using the button. Alright, so there's just one button in this microwave, so yeah, it's supposed to be easy. I guess actually it's an oven
Ready,
toaster. Yeah, it's an
get,
oven toaster.
set,
Okay, don't
go.
overcook it. Yeah, how?
Almost there.
Yeah, okay, can you teach me how? Okay, in and up, that shit. We are adjusting temperature, okay. High temperature? Sure, why not?
Hurry up. Time's up.
That is not overdone. I didn't
Wow,
stop. I
bravo.
didn't figure how. Like, I didn't know I had to be on a high temperature. I wanted to bake it on a little bit in the medium so we can, you know, tenderize and stuff. But okay, we want to burn it. I didn't know. I'm sorry for that. So, in the result, I didn't burn it and got minus points for that. Thanks. Prepare lettuce. Cool. I don't like lettuce, so let's skip that. Move the Joy-Con
I'm
slowly
getting
into the instructed
hungry.
direction to tear the lettuce. Don't move too quickly. Oh, don't worry about it.
Ready, get,
I'm not gonna
set,
be too quick
go.
in whatsoever. Right. Move
Great
carefully.
job.
I remember having done it on the Wii
Great.
too. You have
Try
to
doing it
gently swing
You can
the
do it.
Joy-Con to left
Such
and right
skill.
and left and right and left and left and put on top. Remaining
Hooray, Mama's impressed.
a core. Cool. I actually broke it a lot on the Wii, so I did pretty well here. Slice onion and tomato. Move the Joy-Con in the direction of the
go.
cut to slice the ingredients. Alright. Alright. Let's do this.
Ready, get, set,
Holy
go.
shit, that's a sharp knife. Alright, onion, where do you want me to do? Chop from top down. Okay, I can do this. Again, alright, sure. Top down. Okay, top down. Top down! Alright, that was not top down. Oh, I have to peel it. Peel the hell out of it. Alright, alright, alright. Now, cut! You're gonna have to figure when you cut fast and when you cut slowly. Now I had to cut fast. But before I cut
Another one.
fast too, and like now I do. And
Don't give up.
now it's okay, but it could have been a
Last
mistake,
one.
like before. Because then I suddenly had to peel the skin off, and I didn't know. So, what the hell.
Wonderful.
Thanks.
Better than mama.
Thanks. Next up, slice the shawarma. Shawarma? That's Kebabfleisch, Bruder. What fuck? Follow the shown. Okay. Follow the shown gestures. I'm gonna do that. Not sure what shawarma, whatever that is.
Go.
All right, I have to follow top down. Let's cut this.
Come on,
All right, I
you
just
can
shake
do
it. Oh. It does look pretty though. It does look pretty nice. That's
It's
how I
perfect.
like my
Mama's
kebab.
impressed.
Next up, make the gyro. Move the Joy-Con left and right to catch the ingredients. Alright. So you know what we are gonna do here, right?
Get
That's a
set,
pita,
go.
that's a taco. And that's a gyro. Alright, perfect. No, I don't like onions.
What are you doing?
Oh, I have to catch them, but I don't want to.
Look at that.
Oh, I don't like onions. I want meat. Screw the
Wow.
tomato. Screw salad. Screw onions. There you go. That's what we want to catch. Alright, we kind of want to make it
Wow.
even because now it looks like an Italian flag. Left, red,
Perfect.
right, green.
Great.
In the middle, the onion white.
Almost done. Such skill.
Set skill. It doesn't look delicious whatsoever, but
I
alright.
think you should have your own game.
I think so too, you know.
Let's get started.
Alright, so that's the decoration part. I do not appreciate that this is part of the game, but hey, it's called
Let's get it ready to
Superstar,
share.
right? Holy fuck, guys, this looks pretty nice. Alright, we want some sauce, right? Okay, sauce. Okay. Now that's a yogurt sauce. Here comes hot. Dang it! Hot sauce. All over the place. We like it hot. And oh, I really could have made a Mexican flag. And on the top, green. Ah! What is chung? What is suk? What is that? Okay, yeah, there can never be too many. So
Beautiful.
I think this is for the diner. Here we
Drop
go.
it like it's hot.
I like that view. Perfect. We
Wow.
said perfect simultaneously. How great! I like it
You are
without no editing.
Insta-famous.
I'm Insta famous? Oh come on! I deserve more than this. Okay. Also on the top right,
Piece
you
of
can see
cake.
it goes through the steps, and I think you're getting likes for how well you did the steps. And that is an 88. That is better than our machi before, and I did better
got
on
a
the
nice
machi,
cake.
I believe. You know? Well, screw it! No, okay. Alright, we finished lamb gyro. Let's do Nacho Mami's chicken.
Let's get started.
Nacho Mama's
Here we
chicken.
go. Let's go.
Those names. Crush spicy chips. Prepare the ingredients by pounding. Make sure to cover the entire area.
Ready?
I know how to
Get
pound.
set, go.
Pound. Pound.
Great
Pound.
job.
Pound.
That's
Okay, I
it.
can aim too. Okay, I didn't
すごいね。
do that. すごいね. Arigato.
Spectacular. Great job.
There's a bump here. There's a bump here. Let me crush that thing too. There's
Almost
another
there.
bump. Where's another
Wow.
bump? Give me the bumps. There's a bump. There we go. Match the chips. I do feel bad for the chips though, because I do not like my chips to be mushed, but okay. Break eggs for coating. Move the Joy-Con to tap the egg against the bowl, and then
I'm
press the button to
getting
open the egg
hungry.
once it's cracked enough. A long sentence
Ready,
for a very
get
short meaning.
set,
We crack
go.
up heads. No, eggs. We're not a crackhead. We're a... Oh,
Look at that.
nice.
Here you go.
That's too little.
Oops.
No.
You can do it.
Alright, you have to
Another
clean
one.
out the can. Okay, that's perfect.
That's the way. Here
You have to hit it quite
go.
hard, actually.
すごいね.
Like, if it was on the Wii, that totally would have broken the egg. I'm sorry for your little face. Come on, it's perfect the way it is. Even with our cream on it. I mean, with our egg on it. It doesn't get better at all. Next step, coat chicken legs. Follow this show chat. Let me do this.
Ready?
Set,
Get set,
go.
go.
Ready, get, set, go. Okay, why get set? Alright, we move around the chicken leg, I guess that is. Oh, I have to swirl. Okay, cool. And now we coat it in spicy chip powder. That's what we made it for. Why not just use paprika powder or something? Come on. Or paprika, or whatever you call it in your stupid language. In my language, it's paprika. So I say paprika.
Come on, you can do
If
it.
you like English guys want to say paprika, go for it. But I think it sounds stupid. Better than pepperoni, other. Alright. Swirl the hell out of that chicken till it gets sick and vomits all over my place. It's a leg, it doesn't vomit. Anywho. Oh, hey doggy.
Looks delicious.
So when you hear a dog's bark, it's totally not my dog barking in a garden or in the background. It's totally that dog here, okay? Fried chicken. Hell yeah! Fried chicken, eh? Alright. Press the button to insert or remove the fried basket. Cool. And shake the Joy-Con to shake the basket. Follow the current instructions. The current instruction is just one of them.
Ready, get, set, go!
Tennessee, yeah? Okay. You know how they love fried chicken. Okay, pull out by pressing A. Alright, and I do that now.
Perfect.
Cool. Shake it. Oh, that's one of those.
Shaking
I
my
shook!
head.
I have to shake it more?
Spectacular.
Come on!
Skill.
I'm not Taylor Swift. I can't just shake it off! Alright, put it back in. Low heat. Low heat, I say!
Skill. Look
Take the
at
fuck
that.
out of it. Shake it.
Spectacular.
Even though I would not appreciate
Great
that, but
job.
okay.
That's it.
Back in, let it steam, get it out. Okay, it's one of those oil-less fryers. You have those?
Wabi sabi.
What do they fry with? Hot air? Apparently it's like super healthy and stuff, but I'm not really sure if I should agree to that or so. I don't know. Next step, smash garlic. Prepare the ingredient by pounding. Make sure to cover the entire
Let's go.
area. Alright.
Ready, get,
Alright.
set, go!
Try to get the whole... What the fuck? Alright, because I didn't hit the
Perfect.
potato, but actually the... whatever that is, it didn't count, and that's all I had to do.
Wonderful. Better than mama.
Really? Really? What? That was a quick one. Well, mix the aioli. What the frick is an aioli? Add ingredient when the mixer is at low speed green by tilting the Joy-Con. Right. Add
Ready,
the stuff at low
get,
speed, I
set,
believe.
go.
That makes sense. What do I do? Mayo! 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 Okay, when it...
Another one.
Now it's at low speed. Okay,
Amazing.
garlic paste. Go for it.
Here you go.
Not now, not now, not now. Holy fuck!
Almost
Chill!
there.
Okay. No. Yeah, now! Blue
That's it.
cheese. Hell
Hurry up.
yeah.
Just
Rooter!
one
No.
more.
Mustard.
Great job.
Now, is that aioli? What
I
is an
think you
aioli?
should have your own game. I'm getting
Okay,
hungry.
and for finishing things off, we have to take a picture of our meal.
Let's get it ready to share.
Alright, I want ketchup here. Here. No, mayonnaise. Aioli. Oh, that's the aioli. And here. Uh-huh. Nice! Oh, and now we're... Uh-huh. What it is? What is it? Can you guys guess?
It's a giraffe!
It's an elephant! Like, look at the ears here. Let's make the elephant a little bit more. Nyeh! Too much. I think that is perfect
I
amount
love
of
it.
mayonnaise. Okay, no, we are kidding. We're gonna...
Let's get
Can
it
we
ready to share.
undo. Okay, perfect. Because I like the elephants.
Awesome.
Mama's kitchen is fine for the elephants,
Fix or
actually.
it didn't happen.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Original.
Beautiful.
No stickers.
Don't
Share
forget
and
to
save.
tag Mama.
Alright. And you guys tag me if you want to share my videos on Instagram and or Facebook.
Well done.
91. I take it. I take it actually. For my elephant chicken wings? Come on.
You got a new recipe.
I cannot even be mad. I got a new recipe, but we're gonna continue with our seafood curry. What is a seafood curry? Let's first
cooking.
practice. We got
Here
to
we go.
clean the shrimp. We got to clean the squid. Cuts. Alright. That sounds like something I can do. Make it!
Let's get started.
Clean the shrimp. Follow the shown gestures. Okay, here's the thing with me and seafood. We do not get along very well. Those who know me
Ready?
know this.
Get set, go.
And how do you clean shrimp? Oh, it looks exactly like before. You
Oh my.
cut the head off and peel it off, and that's it. Another one,
Don't
up
give
and
up.
down. That's how you
Oh
do.
no, that can't be right.
Why not?
What in the what?
Why does she say that can't be right? She doesn't even know me.
Oh,
Left, up.
shaking my
Up.
head. Time's up.
Fuck you!
Very nice.
She pulled a meme. Did you hear that? SMH. It's shaking my head. Oh god, she was memeing me. But yeah,
Let's get
follow
started.
shown gestures, clean squid. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. I am not a fan of seafood because
Ready? Get set.
I don't know.
Go.
you have to chop the poor thing's head off. I cannot do. Oh come on! I can't do this. Okay, I will be more slow. Cut, cut.
Come on.
Left.
You can do it.
A little more left. Okay, more left. Perfect. Now that's nice. Like you had to peel it off, cut the head off. I feel so bad for
Mama's
those
impressed.
creatures. And you know, very often in the case of seafood, they're not even dead when they do that. Oh man, if they could scream, imagine what that would sound like. My
Let's
head!
go.
No, that's not nice. I hate. Oh no. Those of you who eat seafood, shame on all of you. Alright, can slice. Move the Joy-Con direction, blah blah blah. And cut the slice ingredient. I don't know, I did not read the rest because I just know that I have to move my
Ready?
thing
Get
according to
set,
whatever.
go.
I got, this doesn't matter. Okay, the squid, we cut it here. Again, I guess we just cut it. Okay, we cut. Perfect.
Here
Calamari,
you
perfect.
go.
Onion, I know now. We cut it here and here. We have it. And now we're peeling it off. See, I learned. Alright, that's a perfectly peeled onion, I say. Alright,
Almost there.
and now we have to pull the things in a ball. Why? Even that
Just
is a
one more.
thing. Doesn't matter. What now? Cut. So we're not peeling the potato? We used to peel the potato
No,
back in the
you
wheat
are the
times,
real
just
hero.
saying. Yeah, I am the real hero, I understand. Speaking of heroes, check out my Legend of Zelda Link to the Past. No, was it? No, Link's
I'm
Awakening, I'm
very
sorry, check out my Link's
hungry.
Awakening. I didn't play the other one. Like, here, it doesn't matter. Okay, open curry and coconut milk. Ooh. Move the Joy-Con up and down
Let's
to
go.
open all the cans before time runs out. Don't drop the lid. Oh, I hate that.
Ready?
Did it happen
Get
to you
set,
too when you
go.
opened the can, like the lid would always be stuck? Okay, so I have to remain there? Or...
Great.
Okay, that's how you do it.
Another one.
And that's the coconut milk. Am I too fast or...
You can do it.
Perfect.
Skill.
I have skill.
Almost
I have
done.
no nerves. That's what I
Hurry
do. Yeah, shake. Shake! What is too fast? Alright.
Time's up.
What the
Good.
frick?
Mama's happy for you.
Too fast. That's what she said. Try the ingredients. Press the indicated button to add your ingredients. Shake the Joy-Con to move the pan. Use a stick to move the chopsticks. Press the button to finish.
Ready?
That's a long
Yes,
recipe.
set,
Alright,
go.
keep it moving. Move. Okay, what do we add first? We add first the squid. Followed by that thing.
Don't give up. What are you doing?
What are my... That's not how you talk to me. I would like to...
Hurry
Oh,
up.
that's how you stir. That's how you stir. Okay. This is so hard because you have to
Not
watch
bad.
all 4 ingredients at the same time. And me now got no idea how long them take. So... I did not too bad for that. Next steps, do the curry. Bring the ingredients to a boil without causing the pot to overflow. Alright, I think we can do that.
Ready, get set,
Keep the
go.
temperature in range. Okay, okay. Ah! 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 Alright, I'm taking too many fast steps. I just have to be very chill. Chill. Go right, left. Look, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
Hurry.
Did I do that well? Yay!
Wow, even better than Mama.
I know. Sometimes a little screaming just helps, you know. Make the rice. I know how to make rice. Start and stop the steamer at the correct blue zone timing using button. Okay.
Ready, get
Okay.
set, go.
As before, we
Almost
first have to
there.
pour the rice, not too fast and not too quickly, because we don't want to waste anything. You have to turn the lights,
Hurry.
press the shitty button, and in the blue, we finish our rice. That's like the most important and most simple step of all. Pour into the rice. Okay, pour ingredients into the container using the button and fill up to the line. Don't pour too much. That's hard.
Ready, get set, go.
Pour the right amount. Zup.
Amazing.
I like that actually.
Here you go.
That gives a little bit of room to splish and splash around,
Wonder.
but not too much.
Last one.
So it will not overflow, as
Hurry
you
up.
said, but still
Look at that.
you have a good deep dish.
Hooray, Mama's
Perfect.
impressed.
Thanks. And last but not least, we gotta take a picture of our meal, but I didn't do very well to begin with, so
Let's get it ready to share.
let me...
Wow.
Perfect. Perfect.
Show the world your masterpiece.
Perfect. Perfect.
Wow.
Exit.
You are insta famous.
Thanks. You know, I wish
Wow,
I had
bravo.
as many friends or followers as I get likes on my cooking
You got a new
videos.
recipe.
Do you guys want to do one more? Do you guys want to do one more? Yeah, let's do it. Let's finish the first page off by
Let's get
doing
started.
some hamburgers. Let's do it.
Ready? Get
Careful
set,
tear each
go.
leaf. We did that before. Move carefully.
Perfect.
Okay, on a Wii you had to be very careful, but
You
here on
can
a
do
Switch
it.
you'll be rather
Spectacular. Wow.
quick, I should
Look
say.
at that. Spectacular.
Spectacular, that's what I'm talking about. 3 stars
It's
from our
perfect.
mama.
Mama's impressed.
Perfect. Peel some potato. Oh, I loved the sound the peel will make when you peel tomatoes and carrots. I hope this sound is still the same. Move the Joy-Con and up or down to peel. Use the stick to rotate when prompted. Alright,
Ready? Get set, go.
it takes a steady hand. From top to down. Or no, it's just fast. Okay, you had to be really careful on the Wii because it was motion control, so you really had to be like on spot. But here, like where it's being peeled is already
Perfect.
given. You just have to peel.
Almost
Ideally,
there.
not just blindly
That's
up and
it.
down, but like a little bit careful you have to be. Still figuring that one out.
Slow down.
Holy,
Hurry up.
still figuring out how to peel a potato, but I didn't do too bad, I think. You heard the start, that was the third one. Slice ingredients. Okay, move the joke in the direction of the cat is slicing ingredients. Okay. That should be quick. I mean, we're doing
Ready?
burgers, right?
Get set,
Slice up the
go.
ingredients. Okay, what we're doing. Pack, bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, we're making fries. There you go. we cut a whole potato and we used
Just one
a
more.
quarter of it.
Don't give
That's-
up.
It said front back, but I actually shook it up and down and it worked perfectly. Maybe I should have done the same thing with the bread
Hooray,
at the very
Mama's
beginning.
impressed.
Grind the meat. Okay, spin the Joy-Con to turn the
getting
handle.
hungry.
Don't go too fast, or the handle will fall off. Press the button to replace the handle. Ooh. So nice guy.
Ready?
Let's
Get
be
set, go.
careful then. Okay, I have to. Oh.
No, no.
Whoa.
Too fast.
Okay, I don't want to be too fast. I don't want to be too slow. I think.
Wow,
No, that's
slow
too
down.
fast. That's too fast too.
Whoa,
Okay.
Slow down.
Chill.
You got it. Come on, you can do it.
Ooh. That takes a while.
Hurry.
Let's
Keep
do
it
some
up.
nice ground meats. Come on. A little more. A little more. It's a race against time.
Time's up.
Time 1.
Piece of cake.
If it was a piece of cake, I would have made a 3-star of it, okay? Slice the buns. Move the Joy-Con to saw through each slice. You can't tell me what to do.
Ready? Get set.
Alright,
go.
fully slice through it. How? Okay, it doesn't go. When you shake it up and down,
You
you
can
have
do
to
it.
really go front and back with that. Front, back, front, back, front, back. Perfect. That's the timing. Front, back. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front,
Hurry
back.
up.
Perfect. That was good. And look how evenly that thing sliced.
Whoa, you are the real hero.
I know. Speaking of heroes, my Link's Awakening, let's play. No, it's in Swiss, sure, you wouldn't understand a thing. Great breadcrumbs. Okay, move the Joy-Con side to side to grate ingredients. When the grater is clogged, move. When the grater is clogged, move the Joy-Con up and down to unclog it. Alright. Alright.
Ready? Get set, go.
Not too much.
No,
What?
That's too fast.
That's too
Wow,
fast.
Slow down.
I barely touched.
No, no,
What?
That's too fast.
Too fast. Stop whiffling. I barely move. But sure, if you want me to take forever, I can
You
do like
can
that.
do it.
I could if you weren't pacifist.
Hurry.
Yeah, I would like to hurry, but you keep interrupting me. Saying,
Time's
slow
up.
down, you motherfucker. But
Very nice.
no. Doesn't matter. Crack some eggs. Move the Joy-Con to tap the egg against the wall and press the button to open the egg once it's cracked enough. Okay.
Ready?
Set.
Get set,
go. Move more. I didn't move a thing. Okay, that's good. So going in.
Another one.
That's also good.
Great job.
And just the third egg.
Here
And
you go.
no, that's too early.
Oh no.
Clean my camera. There we go.
Another one.
That's good.
Fix that for you.
Thanks. Yeah, I got all my cream on your face. I mean, you got all my eggs on my face.
Wonderful.
Next
Better
step,
than
next step.
Mama.
Move
Let's
to
get
collect ingredients.
started.
Okay, move to second select ingredients and press the button to make it to the poll like ingredients in the order shown. Let's do this.
Ready? Get set.
Pay attention
go.
to the order. What does it say? This. Add.
Wow.
Good, beaten egg. That's bread egg. That's breadcrumbs.
Amazing.
Cool. We got salt. Shake the salt.
That's skill. Come on. You can do it.
Black pepper.
Perfect.
And garlic to finish with.
Look at that.
Cool. Let me guess. We have to knead
Wow.
into
Even better
burger.
than Mama.
Into a thick. Yeah, exactly. Thoroughly mix.
Ready?
Set.
Get set.
go.
Go.
Up and up and left
Great
and
job.
right and spin. That was a spin!
Don't give up.
I spin my head right round. That's a good spin. Another spin. Alright, let's stop crunching. That was a spin!
That's skill. Time's up.
You wouldn't even know a spin when I demonstrated to you perfectly, which I just did. I spin. From the patties, cool. Spin the stick to roll. No, I'm not gonna spin the shit. Because my spins are not
Ready?
being
Get
appreciated
set,
here.
go.
So I grab a bite with A, I spin it, and gently place it down, because it has never happened. As in the mochi, I have not placed it gently,
You
but
got it.
and I didn't like that. Although I like my mochi.
You can do it.
So
Doing great.
thanks. I know how to spin, no matter what you say. Bitch. Okay. Tilt the Joy-Con to move the butter around the pan. I think we got that. It's like ridiculous
Ready?
that
Get
is
set,
even a
go.
step. Butter it all the way in. Oh, look at the
Come
butter.
on, you can do it.
Oh, look at the butter. Oh, definitely. There's the little one. Ah! I tilted way
Hurry
too
up.
far. There we go. Woo! A mosquito was sitting there before. That's why I couldn't cover it. I didn't want to kill it, okay? Follow the steps and as they fry. Okay, cool. Adjust the temperature with the stick, hold the button
Let's
to
go.
use the spatula. Move. Hold the button to use the spatula. It even said that. That's just
Ready?
squish.
Get
That's
set,
just splish.
go.
The squish. I fucked up last time. Medium heat. Let's go.
That's it.
Shake. But not too much,
Spectacular.
I guess. Spatula.
Amazing.
Was that too much?
Wow.
No, a little too much.
Great.
For me,
Amazing.
that burger is too, like,
Great.
too, I don't know,
Spectacular.
too crusty.
That's skill.
Yeah, that's too crusty. What?
This is fine. Come on, you can do it.
So apparently you can over squeeze. So I splooshed. Ah! Doesn't matter. Alright, air fry the potatoes. Press the button to insert and remove the fry basket and take the blah 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 blah. The fried chicken.
Ready? Get set, go.
Alright, pull the shit into this holy basket. There you go. Put it in. Count on 3, 2, 1. Pull out. Perfect.
Wow.
Shake it well enough.
すごいね.
Alright. Put it back in.
Great job.
Medium.
Look at that.
Pull out.
That's it.
Shake.
Perfect.
If only frying potatoes would really be as entertaining.
That's skill. That's it.
Look at me. Frying those potatoes. So apparently you can't do it too
Amazing.
fast. Oh man, you really have to be
Great job.
careful when you do stuff here.
Look at that.
Shit. I guess that still counts though. Oh, I should have checked. Alright, anyhow. Place ingredients in the same order. Okay, in order shown. Okay, I like my cheeseburger
Ready?
veggie
Get
free.
set, go.
That's what we're doing. Lettuce. Burger patty. Lettuce. Patty. Tomato. Bun. Lettuce. Patty. Tomato. Bun. Lettuce.
すごいね.
Patty.
Spectacular.
Tomato.
Wow.
That's a Krabby
Another
Patty. Lettuce. Patty. Tomato. Cheese. Lettuce, patty, tomato, cheese. Lettuce,
Amazing.
patty, tomato,
Look at
cheese.
that.
That's a
That's
cheeseburger.
skill.
Excluding
Last
lettuce
one.
and tomato, I would like it. Patty. Lettuce. Tomato. Patty. Patty, lettuce, tomato, patty, cheese. Okay. Patty,
Hurry.
patty,
Wow.
lettuce, patty.
That's
That
it.
was wrong, it was
Oh
tomato
my.
first. Tomato,
Perfect.
patty, cheese. I can do this.
Sugoi.
Woohoo! I did it wrong, I'm sorry guys.
Looks delicious.
I'm a
Mama's
disgrace to
cherry.
my family. But I still made it on time, you know. Whew! And already, you know, the perfect way to decorate a burger. And
Let's get it ready to share.
sprinkle ingredients, alright? Oh, I want more, I want more, and take away the cucumber. Perfect.
Awesome.
No, that's a diner. Food, perfect.
Take a photo of your dish.
That's how you do it. Perfect,
Perfect.
thanks.
Beautiful.
And I saw a flag before. A little toothpick flag that we can stick into the meat or onto the bun, you know. Where did that go? So first, like the video as always. If the burger's too thick for you, you know you can always use fork.
Amazing.
Just a fork. I pressed A again accidentally. That's good. That's okay. That's good. That's okay. That's good. Alright, so I guess the number of likes are coherent with the number of stars we get in each individual step. And the faster and better we made it, the more likes we get for that particular step. I don't think it's actually have anything to do with how you took the picture. Anyhow, that's it for today. We finished the first side of our recipes, on average 2 stars out of 3. I disagree with that, but okay. So far I like the grilled cheese rainbow the most. Tell me in the comments which you liked from this page. And next week we are gonna continue with Thai rolled ice cream. Hope you like it. Stay tuned, see you around. Bye bye.